In today's video, you will learn how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone using 3 simple methods. With these 3 methods, you can transfer all your WhatsApp messages, including their attachments such as photos, videos, music, and other files from your Android phone to your iPhone with and without using a computer, and that is coming up. Okay, so here are the methods that I'm going to cover in this video. Our first method will be using a WhatsApp transfer software. Our second method will be using Move to iOS app. And our third and last method will be using Google Drive to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Our first method is using a software. For this method to work, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a software called iCarephone WhatsApp Transfer. You can get it from the link given in the video description below. So just click on free download and install the software into your Windows or Mac computer. After that, open it up. Once open, click on WhatsApp. With this software, you can also transfer your WhatsApp business messages and others. If you are transferring your regular WhatsApp messages, then select the first option. Next, connect both your phones to computer using a USB cable. Once your phones are connected, this software will detect them automatically. As you can see on the left hand side, you have the source phone. This is the phone that will transfer WhatsApp messages, and destination phone will receive WhatsApp messages. So in my case, I am going to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. So I am going to click on this switch button, which will change order. Make sure to keep your source device as your Android device and destination device as your iPhone. After that, click on transfer, click continue. Now you need to backup WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. In order to backup WhatsApp messages on your Android phone, open WhatsApp, tap on these 3 dots, select settings, select chats, scroll down, select chat backup, tap on frequency, and make sure it's set to never. After that, tap on backup. This way you are backing up your WhatsApp messages to your phone's internal storage. Once the backup is completed, now on your computer, click continue. Next, click on transfer directly. After that, wait for the software to get WhatsApp data from your source phone, from your Android phone. The next step is verifying your WhatsApp account. So from this list, select your country, type your WhatsApp number, then click on verify. Click continue. Click continue once again. After receiving the verification code, type it here and click on verify. Next, select the type of files that you want to transfer along with your WhatsApp messages. So in my case, I'm gonna select all, then click continue and wait for this process to complete. And the final step of this transferring process is logging into WhatsApp on your iPhone. So open WhatsApp on your iPhone and verify your phone number. After verifying your WhatsApp number, if you come to this page, just don't do anything. Just tap on skip and on your computer, click logged in and wait for this restoring process to complete. Once the restoring process is completed, you will get this message. As you can see, it says transfer was successful. Now you can close the software because your job is done. And on the other side, wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone is restarted, all your WhatsApp data will be transferred from your Android phone to your iPhone. So let's see. As you can see, these are the exact same WhatsApp messages that I had on my Android phone. Now they are all transferred to my iPhone. Alright, now let me show you the second method. Our second method is using Move to iOS app. For this method to work, you don't need a computer, but there are 3 requirements. Number 1, your both phones must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Number 2, you have to erase your iPhone in order to transfer WhatsApp data from your Android phone. And number 3, this is not a requirement, by the way, this is a warning. This process takes very long time, especially if you have a lot of WhatsApp data. If you meet all these requirements, then this method will work. If not, then you can watch the first method or the last method depending on your preferences. Now let me show you how this method works. Okay, first of all, erase your iPhone by going to settings, general, scroll all the way down, select transfer or reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, tap continue, tap erase iPhone, tap your iPhone passcode, and now wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone is restarted, now go through the setup process. While setting up your iPhone, if you get to this page where it says transfer your apps and data, and you will have a lot of options, and from these options select from Android, tap continue. Okay, now on your Android phone, open Play Store and download an app called Move to iOS. Just install this app on your Android phone. After installing, open it up and go through this agreement and permission process. After that, type this verification code on your Android phone. Next, you have to select the type of files that you want to transfer along with your WhatsApp messages. So in my case, I'm going to select WhatsApp only. It will open up the WhatsApp app. So just tap on start and it will prepare your WhatsApp messages to be transferred to your iPhone. So just wait for it. Then tap on next. And now you can see WhatsApp is selected automatically. So just tap on continue. After that, wait for this transferring process to complete. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? For you, like and subscribe is just a matter of clicks, but for me it means a world. So thank you so much if you do. Once the transferring process is completed, on your Android phone tap on done, and on your iPhone just continue setting up your iPhone. After setting up your iPhone, now you will see this WhatsApp icon. Just tap on it. Tap on View in App Store and install WhatsApp on your iPhone. After installing the WhatsApp app, just open it and log into the same number that you are using on your Android phone. After verifying your phone number, now tap on Start. Tap on Start once again and give all the required permissions. And now wait for this important process to complete. Once it's done, tap on Next and type your name. After that, you will get to this page. If you want to create passkey, you can do so, but I'm not going to do it. After that, you will have all your WhatsApp messages transferred from your Android phone to your iPhone. As you can see, these are the exact same messages that I had on my Android phone. Our third and last method is restoring WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. So first of all, make sure you have a fresh copy of your WhatsApp messages uploaded to Google Drive. So to do that, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Tap on these three dots, select Settings, select Chats, tap on Chat Backup, and from here, select your Google account. You can include videos if you want, so I'm going to include it. After that, just tap on Backup. After that, wait for this backup process to complete. Once the backup process is completed, now all you have to do is restore this WhatsApp backup to your iPhone. After backing up your WhatsApp data, the next thing you need is a Windows or a Mac computer with active internet connection, and also you need a WhatsApp transfer software. In this method, I am going to use the same software that I used on the first method. This is the software that actually worked for this specific method. So first of all, open the software, then click on WhatsApp, click on Backup, then select from Google Drive, click on Backup Now. Next, sign into Google Drive using the email that contains your WhatsApp messages. After logging into your Google Drive account, now select the backup that you want to restore to your iPhone. So in my case, this is the one. Select your backup file and click on Continue. Now wait for the software to download your WhatsApp messages from Google Drive. This process will take time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once the downloading process is completed, the next step is verifying your WhatsApp account. So from this list, select your country, type your WhatsApp number, then click on Verify. Click Continue once again, and tap the verification code that you just received. Then click on Verify once again. Next, click on Restore Backup. Now you need to connect your iPhone to computer using your USB cable. Once your phone is connected, select it from this list. Then click on Restore Now. Click Continue. Now select the type of files that you want to transfer along with your WhatsApp messages. So in my case, I'm going to select all. Then click Continue. And then wait for the software to restore your WhatsApp chats from Google Drive to your iPhone. And lastly, you need to log into WhatsApp on your iPhone. So open WhatsApp on your iPhone and verify your phone number. After verifying your WhatsApp number, if you get to this page where it says restore or transfer chats, do not select anything, just tap on skip. If you click on continue, what you will do is you will restore your WhatsApp backup from your iCloud account. You don't have to do that, so just tap on skip and leave your iPhone as it is, and on your computer click on logged in and wait for this restoring process to complete. Once the restoring process is completed, you will see this message on your computer. Now you can close the software because your job is done. And on the other side, wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone is restarted, and open WhatsApp, type your name. After that, you will have all your WhatsApp messages transferred from your Google Drive account to your iPhone. So there you have it, guys. That is my video on how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Please let me know which one of these three options were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me, so thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.